Why does it always come with the black? Let's see if I can open it on my own. Look at that. It says there's a me. Never mind. Take it. What's it? I broke a piece. But I got it a cat. Yay! This is cute. I like its color and its eye. I'll rate a 10 out of 10. It's cute. That's right. And I like it how they kind of made it real. But I think I broke a piece like right there. Now I'm going to add this. Maybe. I have a pocket. Pokemon, I'll get to that last. I'm just going to add it on top of here. Its head is too heavy. Among Us. I probably want to get like the red one or... I'm going to get the red one or... I mean like... this one. I'm going to get... this one or the white one. I hope I get the red one. I really hope. What do you open this? It's so hard. Everything's so hard. It always comes with this. Oh my god! So I guess somebody was the imposter and oopsies. Fix the camera. How do I fix the camera? Is that how she did it? No. Maybe. No. No. Oh. Too hard. It's too much. I need Mama. You know what? I'll just use this. I just used my Pokemon box. Look at it. Look at it. It's cute. Yeah, just look at what I did. We're so close to the ending. Like I said, short Victor. Eat. Finally. Oh, I see it. I think I got the... Oh my god, I'm so excited because I really love like all of these. I'm getting them a heart. Whoever made these toys, I love it. Okay, so if it's like that, then I could. Oh, okay. I hope I didn't rip anything. Yep. I got it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, oh, it got that mask. Yeah, it's quite beautiful. It's a duck and is a toy. Yep, it's a toy. It their head doesn't really attach, I guess. And then it comes with this cute treasure chest. And this is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. But oh well. It's still fine. But let's see who I got anyways. I forgot to check what the name is. I got it the Book of Monsters. Ducky, yeah, whatever. Oops. I want to get, Star social utilities, and I mean Star Social is theories. Happy Hoppy. I hope I get the girl I wanted. Oh, it's not green because it's green, and she's not green. We might have got this. Yeah, we got that guy. No, I hate the head. We got shark. We got the shark. It's cute, but yeah. Oh, has this shark. He has a pet. Oh, we got a tail too. Wait, where does the okay. Oh no, somebody was eaten. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Where's the other one? Oh my god, I got this on Roblox. I love Roblox. Gosh, I always play it with my friends. Oh, here it is. Little cat. It's so cute. I'm gonna lay on the bed right now. Here is what I should have got 3 of these. This is what I got. The eyes are like right here. And there's the shark. It has eyes. It looks like it doesn't have eyes, but it does. Okay, next, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, great idea. Maybe that. Maybe that works. That works. Yes. Okay. Game on. Does she take off? Yep, sure. I hope I'm not like... Now where's that? Yep, there's one somewhere here. Okay. God. It's taking some strength. But this is how much. Like you got 400 puzzle. Here is what it's supposed to look like. Let me get it out. And have to. It has to be like this. It's so cool. And yeah, this was a great video. Bye.